In this lesson, we are looking at subtracting decimals using modeling with base 10 blocks. First, set up the problem and solve to find the difference. Notice when we write, the decimals are lined up, 0 decimal point 9 and 0 decimal point 2, so our place values stay lined up. With your first color, shade in the base 10 block with the total of the first number represented. So we have 0 and 9/10, so we need to shade in 9 columns. Cross out an equal number of shaded rows as the second number. Your difference should now equal the columns not crossed out. So we still have the 9/10 shaded in, and we're going to cross out 2/10. This leaves us with 7/10. You are going to complete the same thing on the next page with the 3 models shown. When you have finished with the 3 models, bring your book to me so we can check your work.